So in the last lecture, I explained that React is all about components and that components are awesome. Let's actually see this on a real web page. Here's react.js.org, which is the official web page of the React team. And if we have a look at it, it is actually built with React, of course. This looks like a normal web page, and it is, of course, but we can split this up into components. We got this header component, and in there we got these single navigation item components. We got this starting image call to action component here, and we got all our elements down here where they advertise React and what it is about. We see more components here, like these image code snippet components here with some descriptions to the left of it. All these things are basically building blocks, which we can of course easily consider as reusable pieces. And actually they are reusing this element here. We got one element here, and then the same element with different content being used below it. Now of course you can hard code all that with just HTML, JavaScript and CSS. But then you will have to repeat your code over and over again. Here, with components, you build your own HTML element, so to say, and then you just reuse that element. And behind the scenes, this HTML element has all this content already inside of it, and we'll see this in detail in a second. Another good example would be Udemy. Here on the Udemy page where I searched for Vue.js, an alternative to React, there we see we got a lot of components too. We got the whole header with the search bar component. Then we got the search result summary component here, where it also allows us to filter the search results. And then the search results themselves. We got reused list item components here. Each of them has an image and a different title, but in the core, they all are the same. They all have the same structure. And Udemy also uses a JavaScript framework to achieve this and to have an easier time developing and that's important, maintaining and updating this page. So this is why components are awesome and why we as a developer probably want to use components, and that is why React is all about components.